Toaster Oven Manual by the Boredom Hub. This manual provides basic safety, operation, and care instructions. Read all instructions before using the appliance. Keep this manual for future reference. Purpose: this toaster oven is intended for toasting, baking, broiling, and reheating food. It heats air within a small chamber using electric heating elements. Cooking can occur quickly and unevenly depending on food type, placement, and settings. Intended use for household indoor use only. Do not use outdoors. Do not use for commercial or laboratory purposes. Do not use to heat chemicals or other non-food items. Do not use to dry clothing, paper products, or other materials. Important safety instructions. Use the toaster oven only as described in this manual. Do not operate the toaster oven when empty during broil or high heat modes, unless the manufacturer permits it. Do not use the toaster oven if the door, glass, rack guides, heating elements, or power cord is cracked or damaged. Do not attempt to service internal components. Parts: there is a main oven body. There is a power cord and plug. There is a control panel with knobs, buttons, or a display. There is a temperature selector or thermostat. There is a timer or start button. There is a mode selector: toast, bake, broil, warm, air fry, or similar. There are upper and lower heating elements. There is an oven door with a handle. There may be a viewing window. There is an interior light on some models. There is a wire rack. There is a baking pan or crumb tray. There is a crumb tray, usually removable. There may be rack position slots. There may be convection fan for airflow. There may be safety interlocks that prevent operation unless the door is closed, depending on model. Installation and placement. Place the toaster oven on a stable, level, heat-resistant surface. Provide clearance around the unit for ventilation. Do not place the unit near the edge of a counter. Do not place the unit on a wet surface. Keep the power cord away from sharp edges and hot surfaces. Keep the unit away from curtains, paper towels, and other flammables. Ventilation requirements. Maintain clearance on all sides as specified by the manufacturer. Do not cover or obstruct air intake or exhaust openings on the unit. Do not operate the toaster oven inside a closed cabinet. Do not place items directly on top of the unit while operating. Electrical requirements. Connect to a properly grounded outlet. Do not use a damaged cord or plug. Do not use an extension cord. If an extension cord is unavoidable, use a heavy-duty cord rated for the appliance. Do not plug the toaster oven into an overloaded circuit. If the breaker trips repeatedly, discontinue use and have the circuit evaluated. Grounding instructions. This appliance must be grounded. Grounding reduces the risk of electric shock. Do not remove the grounding prong. If the outlet does not fit the plug, have a qualified electrician install a proper outlet. Door, racks, and safety. Do not operate with the door open unless the mode is designed for open door use. Do not defeat or bypass safety features. Close the door fully for baking and toasting unless your model specifies otherwise. If the door does not close properly, do not use the toaster oven. If a rack is bent or does not slide smoothly, do not use it until corrected. cookware, food, and preparation. Use cookware approved for toaster ovens. Use metal, oven-safe glass, or ceramic labeled oven-safe. Keep foil from contacting heating elements. Trim oversized packaging and remove paper liners unless rated for oven use. Cut or portion food to fit and allow air circulation. Do not place the following inside: plastic containers not labeled oven safe, wax paper, cardboard, sealed jars or cans, aerosol cans, non-food items, paper, plastic, foil, or packaging placed where it can touch heating elements. Operation: place the toaster oven on a stable surface. Ensure the crumb tray is installed. Insert the wire rack at the desired height. Place food on the rack or on a pan. Close the door. Plug in the toaster oven. Select the cooking mode. Set the temperature, if applicable. Set the timer or cooking time. Press start, if applicable. Monitor food the first few uses to learn browning speed. Turn off and unplug before deep cleaning or moving. Temperature and mode control. Temperature controls heat intensity. Toast mode usually emphasizes browning and may cycle elements rapidly. Bake mode provides steadier heat for cooking through. Broil mode applies high radiant heat from the top element. If food browns too fast, reduce temperature. Move the rack lower or shorten time. If food cooks too slowly, increase temperature or move the rack higher. Cooking performance. Small ovens heat quickly and can create hot spots. Rotate trays or flip food for even results. Preheat when baking if your model recommends it. Expect cook time to vary by food thickness and moisture. Some foods drip grease. Use a pan or foil-lined tray to reduce smoke. Loading technique. Keep food centered for more even heating. Do not overfill. Allow airflow around items. Do not let food touch heating elements. If using foil, keep it flat and secured. If smoke appears, reduce fat drips and clean residue. Toast. Use toast mode for bread and similar items. Select a shade level, if available. Start with a medium setting and adjust. Use the rack or a toast tray as designed. Avoid very sugary toppings that can burn. Reheat. Use bake or reheat mode for leftovers. Cover loosely with foil to prevent overbrowning. Stir or turn food halfway when possible. Use a food thermometer where applicable. Broil. Use broil mode for quick browning and melting. Place food on a broil-safe pan. Keep the door position as required by the manufacturer. Stay nearby. Broiling can burn quickly. Convection. Convection uses a fan to move hot air. Reduce temperature slightly compared to non-convection, if your model suggests. Check early. Convection may cook faster. Avoid lightweight items that can blow around. Child safety. Supervise children during use. Keep hands away from hot surfaces. The door and outer surfaces can become hot. Do not allow children to operate without supervision. Cleaning and care. Unplug the toaster oven before cleaning. Allow the unit to cool. Remove the rack, pan, and crumb tray. Shake crumbs into a trash bin. Wipe interior surfaces with a damp cloth. Use mild dish soap and warm water for removable parts. Do not use abrasive cleaners or pads. Do not immerse the main unit in water. Do not spray cleaner into vents or openings. Cleaning precautions. Do not allow water to enter electrical compartments. Do not use corrosive cleaners. Do not use steam cleaners. Do not wash hot glass in cold water immediately after use. To loosen baked-on residue, use soaking. Soak the pan and rack in warm soapy water. Use a soft brush or sponge. Rinse thoroughly. Dry completely before reinstalling. Crumb tray. Empty the crumb tray regularly. A full crumb tray can cause smoke and fire risk. Clean and dry the tray before reinserting. Do not operate the unit without the tray if the design requires it. Interior walls. White splatters after the unit is cool. Avoid scraping heating elements. If the interior coating flakes or peels, discontinue use until evaluated. Door and window. Clean the door glass with a non-abrasive cleaner. Do not slam the door. If the glass is cracked, do not use the toaster oven. Heating elements. Heating elements can discolor with use. Do not scrub the elements. Do not allow foil to touch elements. If an element is physically damaged, discontinue use.
Normal operation. A steady ticking or cycling sound is normal. Air movement is normal on convection models. Some odor during first use is normal. Run empty on a low setting if recommended. Light smoke from crumbs can occur. Abnormal operation. Sparks are not normal. Smoke that continues is not normal. A persistent burning smell is not normal. If sparks or heavy smoke occur, stop operation. Turn off. Unplug the toaster oven if it is safe to do so. Allow the unit to cool. Do not use again until the cause is corrected. Troubleshooting. If the toaster oven will not start, confirm it is plugged in. Confirm the outlet has power. Check the household breaker. Confirm the door is closed, if required. If the unit heats, but the fan does not run in convection, stop and check settings. Do not attempt internal repairs. If the toaster oven shuts off during use, allow it to cool. The unit may pause if it overheats. Reduce load size. Keep vents clear. If food burns on the outside and remains cold inside, lower temperature. Use bake mode instead of broil for cooking through. Move the rack lower. Extend time. If the unit smokes, clean the crumb tray and interior. Reduce grease strips by using a pan. Avoid extremely fatty foods at high temperature. If the door will not close, check rack position. Check that pans are not blocking. Do not force the door. Disposal. This product is electronic waste. Follow local disposal and recycling requirements. Do not leave the unit outdoors. Storage. Unplug the toaster oven before storage. Clean and dry all removable parts. Store in a dry location. Do not place heavy objects on top of the unit. Store the rack and pan so they do not bend. Noise notice. Toaster ovens can be loud during heating and fan operation. Convection fans can create steady airflow noise. Reduce noise by placing the unit on a stable surface. Service information. Do not attempt internal repairs. Do not open the housing. Record the model and serial number for service requests. Contact an authorized service center for repair. Warranty information. Warranty terms vary by model and region. Keep your proof of purchase. Use of unauthorized parts or service may void the warranty. Summary. Place on a stable, heat-resistant surface. Use a grounded outlet. Keep clearance for ventilation. Keep crumbs managed. Use oven-safe cookware. Stay nearby when broiling. Stop and address heavy smoke. Do not use the unit with cracked glass or damaged parts. End of instructions. Disclaimer. This document is written for boredom purposes. It is not an official toaster oven user manual. It may be incomplete or incorrect for your appliance. For real instructions, warnings, and specifications, refer to the user manual for your specific model. Follow the manufacturer documentation for safe operation. Use cases. Use case 1. Quick toast and butter. Use toast mode. Start at medium shade. Adjust darker or lighter as needed. Use case 2. Small batch baking. Use bake mode. Preheat if recommended. Bake a few cookies or a single pan meal. Rotate the tray halfway. Use case 3. Melt and brown. Use broil mode. Melt cheese on a sandwich. Watch closely to prevent burning. Use case 4. Reheat pizza. Use bake or reheat mode. Place slice directly on rack for crispness. Use foil under rack if needed to catch drips. Use case 5. Crisp leftovers. Use convection if available. Reheat fries or nuggets. Shake or flip halfway. Optional functions. These functions may not be available on all models. Function. Shade control. Adjusts toast darkness. Start mid-range. Fine-tune for bread type. Function. Convection fan. Moves hot air for more even cooking. May reduce cook time. Check early. Function. Air fry mode. Uses high airflow and heat. Use a perforated basket if included. Avoid overcrowding. Function. Rotisserie. Turns food for even browning. Use the correct spit and forks. Secure food tightly. Function. Dehydrate. Runs low heat with airflow. Slice food evenly. Use trays and monitor dryness. Function. Keep warm. Holds at a low temperature. Use short durations. Avoid long holding for food safety. Function. Interior light. Helps check browning without opening. Opening the door drops temperature. Function. Auto shut-off. Turns off after timer ends. Use for safety. Do not rely on it for unattended cooking. Recipes. All recipes are approximate. Yield varies by portion size and appliance. Use caution with hot surfaces. Use a thermometer where needed. Recipe. Classic toast. Place bread on rack. Select toast mode. Set medium shade. Start. Remove when browned. Caution. Surfaces can be hot. Recipe. Garlic bread, quick bake. Spread butter and garlic on bread. Place on pan. Bake at moderate temperature. Finish with a brief broil for browning. Caution. Watch closely during broil. Recipe. Mini pan nachos. Add chips to a pan. Top with cheese and beans. Bake until cheese melts. Broil briefly for color. Caution. Do not overfill the pan. Recipe. Sheet pan reheat veggies. Place leftovers on a pan. Add a small splash of water or oil. Bake until hot. Stir halfway. Caution. Steam can burn when opening foil. Recipe. Crisp pizza revive. Place pizza on rack. Bake at medium-high. Heat until cheese bubbles. Caution. Drips can smoke. Use a tray. Recipe. Broiled open face melt. Place bread and toppings on a broil-safe pan. Broil briefly. Remove when bubbling. Caution. Do not walk away while broiling. Recipe. Roasted toaster oven potatoes. Cut small potato cubes. Toss with oil and salt. Bake until browned. Stir every 10 minutes. Caution. Hot oil can splatter. Recipe. Reheat fried foods. Place on rack over pan. Use convection or air fry mode. Heat until crisp. Caution. Grease can smoke in a dirty oven. Recipe. Quick cookie batch. Place a few cookies on a small pan. Bake at recipe temperature. Check early. Rotate pan once. Caution. Small ovens can brown faster. Recipe. Crumb tray smoke reset. This is not a full cleaning method. Turn off and unplug. Let cool. Remove an empty crumb tray. Wipe interior loose residue. Caution. Do not clean while hot. End. This manual is complete. Review the safety instructions before each first use. Keep crumbs managed. Use oven-safe cookware. Maintain clearance. Watch broil closely. If you have a first-time routine, use this. Remove all packaging. Install rack and crumb tray. Run on low heat for 10 to 15 minutes to burn off manufacturing oils, if recommended. Ventilate the room. Let cool and wipe interior. If you cook frequently, keep a small kit nearby. An oven mitt, a small brush for crumbs, a towel, a shallow pan for drips. If you notice recurring uneven browning, change technique. Move the rack. Rotate food. Use convection if available. Avoid overcrowding. If you notice recurring smoke, change setup. Empty crumb tray more often. Use a pan to catch grease. Avoid foil contacting elements. Wipe drips promptly. If your unit uses convection, reduce temperature slightly. Check early. Keep lightweight items secured. If your unit has air fry accessories, use the basket or tray designed for airflow. Do not stack food. Shake halfway. If you are unsure about a specific food, start with a small portion. Watch browning and smoke. Stop if the unit behaves unusually. Adjust time and temperature. If you are serving food to others, consider food safety. Cook to safe internal temperatures. Do not hold warm for long periods. Use clean utensils. If you store leftovers, cool promptly. Use a clean, sealed container. Refrigerate. Reheat fully before eating. If the toaster oven smells, clean the crumb tray and interior. Run empty on low heat briefly. Ventilate. Leave the door open after cooling to dry.
Additional safety reminders. Do not wear loose sleeves while cooking. Tie back long hair. Keep the counter dry. Do not move the unit while running. Do not touch hot metal surfaces during operation. Burn hazard reminder. Hot air and hot surfaces can burn. Use oven mitts. Pull the rack out carefully. Open the door away from your face. Thermal reminder. Some surfaces remain hot after shutoff. This can be normal. If the unit becomes too hot to touch, turn off and let it cool. Travel and relocation. Unplug. Remove rack and pan. Secure the door. Protect the glass. Do not carry the unit by the door handle. Replacement parts. Use parts designed for your model. Do not use cracked pans or trays. Do not use warped racks. Do not use missing crumb trays. If uncertain, cook smaller and stop sooner. You can always add more time. For service questions, refer to the model label. Record the model and serial number. Contact an authorized service center. Thank you for using the appliance. Operate it carefully. Store this manual.